Super Kids Learning. Early learning ABCs.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for giraffe.
E is for elephant.
F is for flower.
G is for goat. H is for house. I is for ice. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for monkey.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, then please subscribe.